company that creates and sells tape dispensers calculates its monthly profit in dollars by subtracting its fixed monthly costs in dollars from its monthly sales revenue in dollars. That equation 15,000 equal to x negative 4,500 represents the situation for a month where x tape dispensers are created and sold, which statement is the distance variation of 2 in the context, 2x. We must search of x tape dispensers, so we eliminate B and C. Sales revenue in dollars from selling X tape dispensers. The monthly cost in dollars of creating X tape dispenser. Company that creates and sells tape dispenser calculates a monthly profit in dollars by subtracting its fixed monthly costs in dollars. Its monthly sales revenue in dollars. The equation is 15. Company that creates and sells tape dispensers with its monthly profit in dollars by subtracting its fixed. I think it is a 3 if x is solution to the equation of what is the value of x negative 3. This is x. 4x plus 6 equals 3 times 2 is 6x negative 11. 2x equals 17. So x equals 17 over 2. 2n plus 6 equals 14. A tree had a height of 6 feet when it was planted. The equation above can be used to find how many years n it took the tree to reach a height of 14 feet. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 2 in the concept? The number of years it took the tree to double its height, the average number of feet that tree grow per year, the average number of feet, height in feet of the tree when tree was 1 year old, the average number of years it takes similar trees to grow 14 feet. In the given equation A is constant if the equation has infinitely many solutions. What is the value of A? Infinitely many solutions, so value of A is 2. A equal to n x equals 6. What is the value of 5x? 3. In the given equation B is constant if the equation has no solution. What is the value of B? 2. What value of R is the solution to the given equation? 9R equals 7R plus 49, 49, 2R equals 24.5. If 46 equals 16 plus 2, it's negative 8. What is the value of 2x negative 8? So 46 equals 16 plus x equals 30. A 3 negative x negative b equal negative 1 negative 2x. The equation above A and B are constant if the equation has infinite linear solution. What are the values of A and B? 3A negative ax negative b equal negative 1 negative 3A negative b negative ax equal negative 1 negative 2x. So 3A negative b equal negative 1 and A equal 2. So the answer is one of this. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 negative b equal negative 1. So negative b equal negative 7. B equals 7. Answer is B. Question science studying the growth of corn plants records the height of corn plant at the beginning of the study and the height of the plant each day for the next 12 days. The science found that the height of the plant increased by the average of 1.2 meters per day for the 12 days. If the height of the plant on the last day of the study was 36.8, was the height in centimeters 144, 14.4 minus 36.8, 4.22. So it is 22.4. 5x equal 4x plus 4 plus 29. So it will be 5x equal 4x plus 29. X equal 29. What value of b is the solution of the equation of 2b plus 2 plus 8b minus 8 equal 5b, 10b minus 6 equal 5b, 5b equal 6, b equal 6 over 5. If 4x negative half equal negative 5, what is the value of 8x negative 1? 8x negative 1 is 4x negative half times 2, so it's negative 10. Museum rents tablets to visitors. The museum earns revenue $14 to each tablet rented for the day on Wednesday. The museum earned $6 is profit. Minus 6 equal 14x. Expenses minus 112. So 406 plus 112 is 518. 518 divided 14. 51. It will be 3. 42. So 1 minus 42. 9. 98. 7, 70, 7 times 4 is 28. 98. So the answer is 77. 2 times 3t negative 10 plus t equal 40 plus 40. What is the value of 3t? Is t negative 20 plus t equal 40. T 70, 20 equal 40. T equal 60. So the answer is 60. So commercial fishing boat from a certain company $150 for the first 2 hours and additional $50 per hour each hour after the first 2 hours if the total cost to rent the commercial fishing boat from the company hour where T is more than 2 is 1,100. Which equation is this situation? The cost to rent commercial fishing boat for the first 2 hours and additional 50. C. Answer is C. It's her job is $B per hour for the first 8 hours. Work in day plus 1.5 times a regular hour week. For work in excess of 8 hours that day when I given. Then work it 10 hours and their total earnings is around 37.5. What is mega and the regular hour? 8x plus 1.5 3x. It will be equal 137.5. So 11x equal 137.5. 70.5 divided by 11. 15 at 1. 11. 2. 27 times 2 is 22. This 5.5 is 12.5. Also, of rectangle dance floor is W feet. The length of the floor is 6 feet longer than its own width plus 6. Which of the following explains the tar in feet? 2W is 4W plus 12. 2x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5. What is the value of 2x plus 3x equal 10? So 5x x equal candle is made of 17 ounces of wax. The candle is burning the amount of wax. The candle decreased by 1. Candle is made of 17 ounces of wax. The candle is burning the amount of wax in the candle decreased by 1 ounce every 4 hours. If 6 ounces of wax remain in the candle, for how many hours has it been burned? Divided 4 hours is 44. This is the end of this question. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next questions. Goodbye.